On today's episode of SPDZ1 Lifestyle, Mr. Gianni is going to be doing a gauge install on a client's 96 Civic cluster. AEM X Series will be the gauge the client's going to be using. It's going to be part number 30-0300, their X Series. This is one of their best gauges on the market in my opinion, just due to the fact that it is one of the most user-friendly interfaces that are out there, that are available as far as a wideband goes, as far as being able to wire up to an AEM Infinity, AEM EMS, or just run it as a standalone wideband itself. Now this kit does include the gauge itself along with all necessary mounting hardware. It does include the O2 sensor, the O2 sensor bung, and it does include the butt connectors as well, as far as both harnesses. Now for installation, this gauge is super easy with only 2 bolts on the back of the gauge that slides directly in with a bracket that sits on the back of the gauge body itself. For more information on this gauge, please check us out at speedzone-web.com, or you can check out our Instagram at speedzoneweb, or you can give us a call at 407-846-8430, and we hope that this was informative to all of our clients who will be using this gauge here in the future.